Okay, this is a special function question, exam question from a national grade 11 exemplar exam in 2017. And here we go. Here's the first question. You're given this function here, minus 3 over x plus 2 plus 1, and another function, g of x, equals 2 to the minus x power minus 4. Now you have to know that this is hyperbola, and you should know the shapes. The branches are going to be in the top left and the bottom right, and this is an exponential equation, and that negative means it goes off to the right but down because it's minus. Those are the kind of things you need to know. Now the first thing it says, for some reason, determine f of minus 3. That means take minus 3 and put it in for x. So that's what you do. Instead of x, you put minus 3, and your calculator would tell you it's 4. You can see that this is going to be minus 3 divided by minus 1 plus 1. It's 4. So f of minus 3 is 4. That's all there is to it. Now the next question is, determine x if g of x equals 4. So see this g of x? Just make it 4. And I think they give you a mark. Add 4. And what do you get? You get 8. 2 to the minus x equals 8. Well, change this to a power. 2 to the 3 equals 2 to the minus x. Minus x equals 3. So multiplying both sides by negative 1 there, x must be minus 3. Now, I wondered when I was doing the question, why did they do that? Well, there's a point. Look at this. See, if x is minus 3, y is 4. If x is minus 3, y is 4. That's where these two equations cross. So that's pretty useful later on. I didn't even notice it when I did it the first time. Then it says write down the asymptotes of f. Now that should be the easiest thing in the world because you just have to learn it. The horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. It's a horizontal line, y equals this one. And, sorry, I just uncovered the wrong thing there. The horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. And the vertical asymptote is x equals minus 2. You use those to draw the hyperbola. They are the lines that the hyperbola can never touch, and they get closer and closer, but don't touch these lines here, y equals 1 and x equals minus 2. Then it says write down the range of g. Well, if you know it's an exponential function, the asymptote is y equals minus 4, just like this. And if you know what exponential functions are about, y can be all the possible values of y, that means the range, is everything above minus 4. So it's y greater than minus 4. Y can be any real number. It's an element of the real numbers, but y is greater, not equal to, it can never touch it. Y is greater than minus 4. Well, there's the first part.